How do courts decide irreconcilable differences in a divorce? Imagine a marriage that feels like it's running on to different tracks heading in opposite directions. When couples reach that point, courts step in to decide if the marriage has truly broken down beyond repair. In family law, courts look at whether the marriage is beyond fixing because of serious disagreements or ongoing conflicts that can't be resolved. This is called a no-fault divorce, meaning neither person has to prove the other did something wrong. Irreconcilable differences are differences so deep that they make the marriage impossible to continue. These can include personality clashes, different life goals, or persistent disagreements that never get resolved. When one spouse files for divorce citing irreconcilable differences, they are saying the marriage has broken down completely, and there's no way to fix it. The legal process begins with the spouse filing a divorce complaint, stating that the marriage cannot be saved. Sometimes both spouses agree and file jointly, which can make the process smoother. In other cases, only one spouse files and the other may contest it. If the other spouse contests, the court will review the case and decide if the marriage is truly beyond repair. Often, courts requiring a waiting period after the complaint is filed, giving the couple time to think or try reconciliation. If the spouses cannot agree on issues like property division or child custody, the court will hold a hearing. During this hearing, the judge listens to both sides and makes decisions based on the evidence presented. The goal is to determine whether the marriage has irreparably broken down, which allows the court to grant the divorce. Choosing this route often leads to less conflict because it doesn't require proving fault or wrongdoing. It can also reduce emotional stress since blame is not a focus. Filing for divorce on these grounds can save money on legal fees because there's no need to gather evidence of misconduct. In the end, courts decide if the marriage is beyond repair by evaluating whether the differences are so serious that the relationship cannot be restored. If they find that the marriage is irreparably broken, they will approve the divorce, making way for both parties to move forward separately.